What's up, guys? Got a bike check today. Got some new parts, so I just figured I'd do one. So, yeah, let's get started. BSD Highlander bars. 8.5 rise, 28.5 width. They were 29 width, but I had them cut down. So, yeah. ODI grips. Stolen Vortex bar ends. They look like the par ends, kind of, just without the screw. Profile push stem. I don't know if you can see it, but it says profile right there. You can't see it, right? But yeah, profile push stem. Top load, obviously. Colony headset. You can't even see this. Yeah, but Colony headset. Amber forks. Demolition Bolimium V2 front hub, laced with lace 2 a Alex rims Superdome with red and chrome nipples, and a Colony tire 20 by 1.5. Okay, the frame is a Dribazanson signature colorway frame. Same frame I've been running for the past 2 years, and it's held up awesome, except there's like a dent in it. But I really don't feel like looking for it. I think it's on this side. Yeah, there's like a dent right here, but let's not worry about that. It's a 20.5 and it weighs 4.8 pounds. So, yeah, and I love it. It's a stln Eternity Ring sprocket. Stln Eternity Ring sprocket, 28 tooth. Pretty sick. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Rant cranks. Shadow bottom bracket, Colony seat with a stolen Thermalite seat post, KMC cool chain, Colony clone 9-tooth hub and driver. Laced to a Alienation PBR rim with red nipples. It's a FitFaff tire. I did the lines myself on both the tires. And I think it's a 20 by 2.25. So yeah. Overall, it weighs 21 pounds, and it's pretty dialed. Like, I'll just do a drop test real quick. Whoa. Oh, something's loose. Well, it was dialed last night, but I think I just need to tighten my front wheel because I was doing work on it last night, but yeah. It's pretty dialed, and here's the hub sound for the back. Thanks for watching my bike check, and rate, subscribe, like, yeah.